Hello. So, this is my first video for you with showing my face for my subscribers, for my viewers, for my friends. Today I am going to talking about Swiss made watch which called Longines, one of the oldest Swiss watch brand, still alive and progressing. Longines watch brand was founded on 1832. It has a more than 190 years history, and this brand has some special value more than any other watch brands. You have to know, since 1832 they never changed their logo, watch brand's logo. You can look after the history. It's really rare. And they never changed the factory area, and they never change, or they never ever leave from their tradition value. This is something very special. They have a really something special, elegant design, which is most of ladies like very much. Such kinds of Dolce Vita, something special design. And it has also heritage collection, which is one of iconic timepiece watches you can keep for your generations. And Longines watch is also very famous in sport events such as Olympic, everything. You can find so many things on this brand. Don't forget, buy a Longines watch. Don't forget, if you have any questions, just ask me. I will give you my questions answer. And see you next video. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share, my friends. Okay, thank you very much.